Hello, welcome back to my channel, Our Peace in Africa. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing of Bobsweep Dustin robot vacuum cleaner and mop. So this is the quick start guide. Comes with a quick start guide here. In the box, this is the charging bed. Owner's manual. Put that to the side. Warranty. 2-year standard warranty, covers cost of non-consumable parts and labor. 2-year battery warranty and a 5-year subsidized repair plan. Lifetime of customer service. The actual vacuum is here. It's the first robot vacuum. So I have no experiences with a robot vacuum. This is the first. Okay. Comes with, looks like a removal tool or a cleaning brush. This is the mop attachment. Comes with 2 of the microfiber mops. Two of the brushes. Filter. Okay. This is the charging station and where the vacuum bags are going to be. Comes with 1 bag. That's what it looks like. This and this. And then another replacement bag. And that's unboxing of the Bobsweep Dustin.